San Ignacio. This is San Ignacio. Super red. San Ignacio. Wow, really nice. San Ignacio. It's have a little bit of sour, but you can feel the sugar more, and it tastes totally different. It reminds me with Valdivia Roja. If you mix it with purple haze. Yeah, it is nice. Let's see the Brix score. Yeah, let's see the Brix score. Yeah, and it is sweet. This is the sweetest than the one I eat it before. I ate one before. I don't feel that sweetness. Let's try the Brix score. Let's try the Brix score and San Ignacio. San Ignacio is a self-pollination. Very nice fruit, and this is sweet and good taste. Let's see. Let's try the Brix score. San Ignacio. Let's try the Brix score. Juicy. Super red. San Ignacio, super red. Let me try it again. I'm gonna give it another chance. It says 15.1. It tastes sweet for me, but San Ignacio, yes, still 15.1. San Ignacio, 15.1. San Ignacio. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need any variety to review and check the sugar level, leave a comment, please. Thank you again. Yes, San Ignacio, super red. It tastes good. The Brix score 15.1. Not that bad. I like to check the Brix score. I don't rely on it too much. I have some fruit with the Brix score like 12 and 13, but they taste good. But today, most of these, they taste super good. And this is the breakfast and even lunch. Too much fruit, a lot of variety. I hope you're enjoying my videos, and you're gonna subscribe and like. If you need any variety to review, leave a comment, please, and let me know. Thank you again for watching. Turn it off.